Hey everybody, welcome back, and in this video I will teach you how to back up Telegram chat. So first of all, head over to these three lines on top left side of your screen and then head over to settings. You can see if you scroll down we have chat settings. This is how our chat looks, but we are not looking to customize our chats. Instead, what we need to do is simply back up our chat. So you can search for backup in this section just like this, and you can see basically we do not have any option to back up our chat in here. So you can also search for any other data and storage section. You can see we have all these data. You can automatically download media and stuff, but we cannot see any option to backup. So what you can do is simply go back and head over to your chat. You can see we have chat folders. So yeah, now you can head over to a chat that you want to back up. Click on these three dots and you can see we have many different options. Head to the profile and you can export the chat from this section basically. So you can see you can scroll down and you can save everything. We can manually backup as well and save our photos. For chats you can simply copy the messages. You can see these are the messages that we can have. And yeah, basically Telegram do not provide any option to back up your chats directly like WhatsApp does, you can see. And yeah, so this is how it is, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.